Hello everyone, welcome back to our Decoding IPO series where we break down various IPOs and let you know that whether you as an individual should invest your money in the particular IPO or not. So today we are again back with the review of Capillary Technologies India Limited IPO. So Capillary Technologies IPO in itself is a book built issue of rupees 877.50 crores. The IPO bidding opened for subscription on 14th of November 2025 and will itself close on November 18th. The allotment for the Capillary Technologies IPOs is expected to be finalized on November 19th, 2025. Capillary Technologies IPO will list on BSE and NSE with a tentative listing date fixed as November 21, 2025. Capillary Technology IPO price band is set at rupees 549 to rupees 577 per share. The minimum lot size for an application is 25. So, as per the following requirements, the minimum amount of investment required by an retail is rupees 14,425 based on upper price. The lot size investment for SNII is 14 lots, that is 350 shares, amounting to rupees 2 lakh 1950, and for BNII it is 70 lots. The issue includes a reservation of up to 38,095 shares for employees offered at a discount of rupees 52 to the issue price. So now let's understand the details of the IPO. The IPO date stands between November 14, 2025 to November 18. The face value of each share is rupees 2 per share and the issue price band stands between 549 to 577 per share. The minimum lot size is 25 shares. The fresh issue is 59 lakh 79,202 shares. The offer for sale is 92 lakh 28,796 shares of rupees 2. The employee discount provided is rupees 52. The issue type is book building IPO and the IPO will be listed both at BSE and NSE. IPO timeline of Capillary Technologies stands as follows. The IPO opened on the date 14th November 2025, that is Friday. The IPO will close on 18th November 2025, that is Tuesday. Tentative allotment would be made on 19th November 2025. Initiation of refunds would be made on 20th November, that is Thursday. Credit of shares to demat would be on 20th November 2025 and the tentative listing date would be 21st November 2025. The cutoff time for UPI mandate confirmation is 5 p.m. on Tuesday, November 18th, 2025. Now let's understand the details of Capillary Technologies IPO lot size. Investors can bid for a minimum of 25 shares and in multiples thereof. The following table depicts the minimum and maximum investment by individual investors, that is retail, and HNI in terms of shares and amount. Retail lots 1, that is shares 25, rupees 14,425, and the maximum investment an individual investor can make is rupees 10 lakh 9,750. Coming up onto Capillary Technologies IPO reservation, Capillary Technologies IPO offers total of 1 crore 52 lakh 7,999 shares, out of which 74.81% are allocated to QIB, whereas 29.91% are allocated to QIB X anchors and 9.97% are allocated to NII and 44.90% are allocated to RII. Now let's cover up Capillary Technologies IPO anchor investor details. The bidding date was November 13, 2025. The shares offered were 68 lakh 28,001 shares in number. The anchor portion size in crores was 393.98 crores. The anchor lock-in period and end date for 50% shares, that is 30 days, was December 19, 2025. The anchor lock-in period end date for remaining shares, that is 90 days, would be February 17, 2026. Let us understand, a few things about Capillary Technologies India Limited. Capillary Technology India Limited is a leading Indian software as a service company that specializes in customers' loyalty and engagement solutions. Founded in 2008 and headquarters in Bengaluru, Capillary offers a comprehensive suite of products that help brands understand and engage their customers more effectively through data-driven insights. The key offerings of Capillary Technologies India Limited IPO are loyalty management solutions, customer engagement and marketing automation, and many more. The company financials stands as follows. First of all, let's understand the restated and consolidated financials of Capillary Technologies India Limited. So, assets of the company reduced from 871.07 in 2024 to 838.65 in 2025, whereas total income thereby increased from 535.44 crores to 611.87. The profit after tax was, first of all, in 2024 it was in negative of 68.35%, and now it came up to 14.15. The EBITDA came from negative of 1.49 to 78.57 positive. The net worth of Capillary Technologies increased from 452.13 to 481.42. The reserves and surplus also showed a significant increase, that is 30.89 to 170.26. The total borrowings increased from 77.17 crores to 100.09 crores. So now let's understand the key performance indicator of the Capillary Technologies IPO. The ROCE stands for 2.76%, the debt equity is 0.18, the RONW is 2.85%, the profit after tax margin is 2.37%, the EBITDA margin is 13.13%, the price to book value is 8.87, and the market capitalization is rupees 4,576.09 crore. Let's understand the objectives of the issue. The first objective of the issue is funding our cloud infrastructure cost, and expected amount stand for rupees 120.00 crores. The second objective is investment in research, designing and development of our products and platform, and the amount stands for 151.54 crores. The third objective is investment in purchase of computer systems for our business, that is 10.32 crores, and funding or inorganic growth through unidentified acquisitions and general corporate purposes is the fourth objective. Capillary Technologies IPO review. The CTIL is a software product company offering AI-based cloud-native SaaS products and solutions. The company helps enterprise and customer to bond long-term relationship based on specially designed loyalty program. It incurred losses till financial year 24 and turned the corner from financial year 25. It remains a pure long-term story in domestic market with dense population. Based on its recent financial data, the issue appears aggressively priced. It may catch first mover fancy post listing. Only well-informed risk seekers, cash surplus investors may park moderate funds other than stay away. So now what's our review on the Capillary Technology IPO is, so why it could be a great bet. Capillary is very well positioned in growing niche, loyalty plus customer engagement. With strong enterprise clients, a scalable SaaS model, and deep AI investment, its financial turnaround and global reach give it momentum. Why is it risky? The business depends on a few big clients, has geographic risks, and faces stiff competition. Also, sustaining innovation and cash flow will be critical. Any slip could derail growth. As mentioned in this, that only investors with informed risk seekers, cash surplus investors may park moderate funds, others can stay away. So now let's cover the most important part of the video, that is the grey market premium we all have been waiting for. So on 14th of November, the grey market premium was rupees 50. The estimated listing price was rupees 627, whereas the estimated profit was rupees 1250, which in itself is a very big amount. On 15th of November, the grey market premium reduced by rupees 5, that is, it came from rupees 50 to 45, and the estimated listing price also came from rupees 622, and the estimated profit reduced from rupees 1250 to rupees 1125, and the IPO price on 16 November 2025 was rupees 577, whereas the grey market premium reduced by mostly half of the price, which was on 15th of November. It reduced from rupees 45 to rupees 23, and the estimated listing price came down from 622 to rupees 600, and the estimated profit also came down by mostly half of the amount, that is rupees 575, whereas on 17th of November, the grey market premium rose by rupees 3, that is the grey market premium rose from rupees 23 to rupees 26. The estimated listing price came from rupees 600 to 603, whereas the estimated profit increased from 25 into 3, that is 75 rupees, and the estimated profit came up to rupees 575 to rupees 650.